La 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 do do do.
Pearlie is in the park.
Magic in the city.
Over the rainbow at the end of the street is Jubilee Park, where the fairies meet. Away from traffic in the neon scene, doing the magic, keeping it green. Fairies, elves, goblins too. You can't see us, but we see you. So watch your step with your cursed feet. Over the rainbow at the end of the street.
Now twinkle, now sparkle, now glimmer, glitter, shine. Swing your wings.
Ring a ding.
Magic in the city.
Pearlie is in the park.
Magic in the city. La 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 do do do. Fairy dusting, we're busting. Fairy twinkle, wiggle, roll. Make it perfect.
Make it pretty.
Magic in the city. Magic in the city.
Pearlie is in the park.
Magic in the city.
Yes, mistress?
Ludwig! Door! Pronto! Oh, it's impossible to get good help around here.
Don't bother, Ludwig. You just keep having a nice lie down and I'll see to it myself.
Huh? But...
Tell Ludwig his twin brother Johann is here.
Twin brother? Ha! First I've heard of it. Get lost.
Not so fast, fairy. The hour of the wild bat approaches. Ludwig's coming away with me.
He's not going anywhere, let alone with a wild and crazy dingbat. Ludwig's a house bat now.
Johann? Brother?
Ludwig, what's happened? You're a maid!
Oh, well, I prefer personal assistant.
Have you forgotten the proud history of the bat? Roaming wild and free across the earth and the heavens for 50 million years!
You've got 5 seconds to get back and finish your dusting.
What are you, Ludwig? A bat or a mouse?
And I want a cheese platter for afternoon tea.
Come, tear off that apron, brother. Fly free!
I'm counting now. 1, 2...
Be with your tribe! Find your true
I'm
calling!
warning you. 3, 4...
5! I choose to be free! To follow my destiny! Wait, I need my toothbrush.
There you are, Fang Face. Go and never come back.
So, Malcolm, what's new?
Well, Pearlie, it's about Ludwig. I know it looks like Ludwig is the enemy of the moth, but the truth is, Ludwig has never eaten a moth in his life.
Pearlie Burlie, really? I can't believe it's not moth.
That's what he eats in his omelets.
So, how do you know this?
Ludwig is my friend. He always plays checkers with me, but he didn't show up last night.
Oh, Malcolm, he was probably just sleeping. Sapphira keeps him very busy all day.
Will you go with me and see if he's okay, Pearlie? While the other moths are sleeping, of course. Wouldn't want them to hear I was friends with, a bat.
Your secret friendship's safe with me, Malcolm. Why don't you stay here and finish your sock? I'll go check on Ludwig. See you later.
He's gone with the wild bats into the rainforest, and good riddance.
But he's a house bat. He'll be frightened.
Cry me a river.
I'd better go find him.
Suit yourself. But I wouldn't bother. He won't last long. Soon enough, he'll be back here dragging his wings behind him.
Where are we?
At our secret roost, deep in the heart of the rainforest. Here's your bed, brother, alongside your fellow bat.
So many? It's a teensy bit cramped. And damp.
Something tells me you've lost your taste for the old wild ways, Ludwig. You don't want to go back to working your wings to leather for that fairy, do you?
No, but it is warm and dry there.
Think hard on it, my brother. Oh, the time she mistreated you.
Oh.
Ludwig!
Ow!
Dingbat! Ludwig, you fool! No! You're fired!
There's no life for a bat.
No, it isn't.
Freedom is yours. Join us, my bat brother.
I am ready, Johann. From now on, I, Ludwig, answer only to the call of the wild.
What is this?
This, yes. Well, it's a handkerchief. That's all. Yeah, look. You see?
As you say.
I'm so sorry, Blanky. Ludwig still loves you.
I know the wild bats camp is hidden deep in the rainforest, but I'm not sure where. Are you sure you want to come, Malcolm?
I'm a moth, Pearlie. We moths may be boring, but we stand by our friends. Let's do this thing.
Come on, Malcolm. We've got to follow those drums, and we don't have a minute to waste.
Oh, you don't think these bats are moth eaters, do you, Pearlie?
Gee, Malcolm, doesn't look good.
Maybe I shouldn't have come.
Shh! Look, here comes Ludwig.
So, my brother, you slept well, I trust?
Well, perhaps not so well, you know. I found the constant dripping a teensy bit.
Be still. We come to the initiation.
Anisha, what?
A test. To see if you are ready to embrace the ways of the tribe.
Oh, of course. I knew that.
Your challenge is to catch and eat a moth.
Eat a moth? I'm trying to watch my figure.
Just think, Ludwig. If you were back with that fairy, you'd be spending the day fetching and carrying.
Too true.
Now go, Brother Bat. Go catch your moth.
Yes. I go forth to capture the wily moth. Here, Mothy. Mothy, moth. Here. Oh.
Ludwig, over here.
Oh, Pearlie.
Shh. Do you want us to take you back home?
Oh, I can't go back yet, Pearlie. I need to prove myself to my brother Johann. And Sapphira, my eyes have been opened. She has no respect for the bat.
Oh, it's true, Ludwig. You have to stand up to her.
If I could be initiated as a wild bat, that would show her. But to do that, I have to capture and eat a moth. I cannot do it.
Don't worry, Ludwig. Maybe there's a way around this.
My fellow bats, from the mightiest megabat, the most feared vampire bat to the bravest microbat, we come here tonight to welcome another into our circle. Bring forth Brother Ludwig and his prisoners.
Let me...
That's all you want, wretch. Soon enough, you will be moths too.
Oh, no, Ludwig, please don't eat me. Please spare my miserable life. Line.
It is time. Into the pot.
Silence! Not so fast, brother. I was thinking, and stay with me on this. Maybe some fine herbs and a little bit of pepper, huh?
Oh, get on with it!
Stop this right now!
About time.
A fairy in the secret camp of the wild bat. State your business and be gone.
I come from the highest authority in Fairyland. This moth is wanted for many crimes.
Such as...
Chewing through socks and blankets, clogging lampposts, and... the list goes on.
So how does this concern us?
He is summoned to face the fairy court. The fairy queen herself has asked Ludwig to escort him to the palace.
You would rob us of our supper?
Oh, no. I could rustle up a lovely vegetarian banquet.
There is still the matter of Ludwig's initiation.
I'm sure we can come up with something.
Wedgie! Ludwig, you are now one of us. Keep fighting the good fight and make us all proud.
I promise I will.
Then go and take this criminal moth with you.
So, Ludwig's back home from the wild, Sapphira, and I think he's got something to say to you.
Spit it out, Bat Brain.
Okay. From now on, I will not be your maid. No.
And?
And I shall not wear the apron.
What?
Okay. I will don the apron. But I insist on every third Tuesday night off.
Ludwig?
Every fourth Tuesday of the month without an hour in it during a leap year.
Okay, fine. So get back up there and clean that spot off the glass.
Yes, mistress. Aha! Jump. Like so. I win.
Another round, old buddy?
Yes.
So, Ludwig, do you ever miss the call of the wild?
Oh, Pearlie. I hear it now and then.
Ludwig!
Well, hi, spring-a-dinglings. It's me, Laverne, your spring fairy. It's time once again for the spring clean. Time to scrub and clean the park from top to bottom. And everybody has to help.
Hardly.
I mean everyone.
I've got a chip in my polish. I need to repaint.
Get your tushy back here right now.
Pearlie isn't here.
Now you mention it, where is our dear Pearlie?
I don't know. It's not like her to miss something like this.
Yeah, she loves dumb meetings. Nothing personal, man. Dude, ma'am.
Hold up, here she comes.
Hello, everyone. So sorry I'm late, Laverne. What's wrong with you? I was an teensy bit unwell, but now I'm feeling much... Rocky!
Whoa. Sweet.
Pearlie, you are sick! Oh, no, not really. I just... Phew. Definitely a case of the wheezing sneezels. How did you catch it? Well... Ooh, pretty. Slimy slug swab germs? Ew! But I'm fine now, truly. So just tell me what you want me to... Oops. I'm sorry, Pearlie, but we can't have you sneezing us all over the place while we're trying to spring clean. Off to bed with you this instant. No, I can work. Truly, I can.
Mate, she's dead right. You should be tucked up under the covers until you get better.
All right.
What's this? Sickies get out of the spring clean?
Naturally.
Oh. Come to think of it, I'm not feeling all that well myself. Oh, I feel faint.
Mistress.
Nice try, but no dice. Now get to work.
But I'm deathly ill and you don't even care.
Oh, mistress, that's terrible.
Back off, bat breath. I've got to figure out how to work this angle.
What? But I... Oh! Another scheme is afoot. Oh, most excellent.
Come on, matey, straight to Betty Boys. Jasper!
What?
Out!
Oh.
Pearlie's sick, and while she's resting, we have to get on with it. We don't want that Laverne chasing after us. She means business.
I can't just lie doing nothing while everyone else is working so hard.
You can, and you will.
But I'm not really sick. Sorry, Opal.
She's all right. Landed in some dandelion fluff. Not really sick, huh?
Jasper, you're the cleverest elf I know.
You got that right.
Can you figure out a way I can go outside and help without sneezing everybody out of the park?
I'll think about it, I promise. Now chill out, Pearlie.
Thanks, Jasper.
One for the road.
Tadpole duty is part of the spring clean, Sapphira. Show the love.
Coochie coo. You know, I still have this dreadful tickle in the back of my throat. I think I should be in bed with a nice, warm cup of...
There's nothing wrong with you, Sapphira. Duck duty next, on the double.
What on earth are you doing?
The ducks want another bedroom, but I am no good at home renovation.
Oh, honestly. Ludwig, I simply cannot bear all this hard work. Drat that Pearlie. If she can convince Laverne she's sick, so can I. What do you think, Ludwig? What color spots would be best with my complexion?
Perhaps a putrid orange? A blistering rash would bring out the color of your eyes.
Yes! I'm sure we can make this work.
I'm so bored.
Hey, dude.
Oh, Jasper, I can't stay in bed all day. I'll go absolutely nutty.
It just so happens I've got a solution to your problem.
Wow.
It was a small person's toy, but with a little magic and a lot of Jasper genius, it's now a sneeze-proof bubble. Try walking.
Oh, you are clever.
Awesome, huh? You can breathe through it and your wand will work through it. You can sneeze away in there and no one will get blown away.
Oh, Jasper, it's perfect. Whoa! Whoa!
It might need a little more work.
No, I'm fine. I can do this. Thank you so much.
Ow! Hey!
Oops. Sorry. So, will you let me join the spring clean? Please? Well, if you think you can make it work, why the heck not? You got your wand handy? Sure have. Yippee! Whoa! Bye for now. La la la, do do do. La la la, do do da, do do ba ba da ba da ba da. Yoo-hoo, Opal!
Pearlie?
Look at me!
Oh, but why aren't you in bed?
No worries. I'm good. La la la. See you later. Nice job, everyone! Oh, my wand's running out of fizzle. I better let it recharge. Uh-oh. Nose tickle. Shoo! Oh, whoa! Whoa! Ow! Oh! Oh dear. Oh dear. Help! Oh no. Uh-oh. Ah! Jasper, you didn't tell me how to get out of this thing. I'm just gonna have to go with the flow.
Hey, dude, have you seen Pearlie? She was gonna meet us for lunch.
Ribbit, she was here, she sneezed, she was gone.
Sneezed? Jasper, what would a sneeze do in that contraption?
I'm not exactly sure, dude. She could have sneezed herself somewhere.
We better go find her.
A little to the left, please. Thank you. I just wish I knew which way I should be going. Whoa! Thanks for all your help. I wonder if I've got enough zap to send a signal for help.
I hope that works. I wonder where she could be.
Wait, what's that?
An SOS? I bet that's from Pearlie.
From the sewer? We better check it out, dude.
Roots and twigs, what now? Buds and blossoms. Waterfall! Oh, I made it. Oh, that doesn't sound good. Pearlie! Help! Oh, help!
Got it.
Opal! Jasper! Look out! Pearlie!
Pearlie! Watch out!
Oh, that was a close one. Thanks, guys. No worries.
I forgot the escape hatch. Sorry, Pearlie.
No, this is all my fault, Jasper. I should have just stayed in bed.
Hold it right there! I've caught you dodging work. AWOL. Fairy HQ will hear about this shameful behavior.
Oh, Laverne, that's not what happened. I sneezed myself down here, and they came to rescue me. You were absolutely right. I should be home in bed.
Well, of course I was right.
Yoo-hoo! Laverne, dear.
Here we go again.
Look, hives, green ones. I've also got fever, chills, sniffles and snurfles, coughs, sneezes, and hiccups. Achoo!
Also, warts, piles, scaly knees, fuzzy elbows.
And split ends. Very serious indeed.
All right, Sapphira, I give up. You're truly sick. So that means you'll be quarantined for 1 whole week.
Yippee! I'm deathly ill. Hooray! Ooh. Ludwig, take me home. My work here is done.
No, you're not going home. You're going to the current quarantine quarters.
What? Well, where's that?
Pearlie's shell.
7 days with perky cousin Pearlie.
We can have a week-long girly sleepover. It'll be so much fun.
This isn't happening.
Sorry, cuz.
This day just gets better and better.